Right, today we're going on a tour, sort of a spontaneous one. It's like a day tour. It's quite cheap. It's about $13, £10. A bunch of the guys I met at the hostel went to yesterday. They said about it and I thought, yeah, why not? Makes it sound easy, to be fair. Just literally jump in a bus and arrive. I've been a bit reluctant to get tours, but considering how cheap it is, I thought, why not? It's better than to get the day tours from Hanoi where people spend like 3 days getting told what to do and then they go back to Hanoi. So anyway, it should be a good day, so I'll chat to you in a minute. We're on a disco bus at the moment. In the 80s, we've gone back in time and it's fucking amazing. It's the best music ever. The whole of Vietnam they have now is 80s and that's about it really. There's a girl I'm with who wants to do introductions properly and she really wants to do it and she feels left out. So, who are you?
I'm Leah, I'm from Denmark.
And who are you?
I'm Martin from Uruguay.
And who are you?
I'm Max.
That man's not here. Who are you?
Jordy.
He's Jordy.
Born free in the USA.
Now Trump ruled.
I'm left behind, obeyed the line, but always a gone. You're for me at the bottom line, I lie afraid. Are we in the same place? Falling.
Just gonna do some kayaking, so this is going in a waterproof cage. You won't hear me for the next little bit, so I'll chat to you in a sec. Oh, fucking. We're professionals. Alright, we'll just tag a lift. I'm not being afraid, we're going towards a rock. What, up the rock? Oh, I guess, might as well show well done. Oh, there's people behind us. I give up. Alright, now go forward, and remember to turn this time. I've just given up all hope. We're not getting back.
Oh, we are going back now?
Huh?
We need to go back now?
No. Oh, hello there. Righty there. Right, remember you're steering, so you got to really steer and concentrate. All right. Slow down. Slow down. Oh. No, it's not perfect skills. Fucking shit. Right, remember the stone's coming up, so it's not going forward. Oh, for fuck's sake. Just went kayaking, just had some lunch and then crashed into many things on our kayaking journey. The guys with us having loads of fun at the back, but we're now going to go and do some swimming, which will be a lot of fun. We met someone who was once on a tour. How long have you been on this island for?
Ages, man. I don't know.
This is what happens when you don't pay the full bill. They fuck you right up. Look, they've
Just left me over here.
I just got off the boat, now on Monkey Island. So, I've got a bit of a cut on my foot where I've caught it on a coral. It fucking hurts. The sand isn't helping. But it's been a great day, to be fair. As much as I've been reluctant to get tours, if you come to Capra Island, they're so much cheaper than on Halong Bay. Halong Bay, you pay like the same price for a 2-hour kayak thing as you do for the whole day here. And it's been a good day, really. I mean, you meet people all similar age. It's made for young people, but it's been fun. I'm just hobbling along. The other guy's a little bit ahead. I was just chatting to him. He's not feeling great. Oh, fucking foot.
My delicate ears didn't really matter, did it? Didn't really matter.
Well guys, that was a really good day out, to be fair. That was a lot of fun for what was pretty much just £10. I've just got dropped off at their hostel, which is only a few minutes from mine. It's just where I left my big bag. So I'm now walking back to my new hostel, which is only a few minutes and actually in the central district. So I'm probably gonna spend maybe tomorrow and the following day here, or I'll probably leave the following day. I'll spend a full day here. Gives me an evening, gives a bit of time to edit some stuff. But it was well worth it. I would say the name, but I don't know the name, but there's loads of tours in Cat Bar which are pretty much exactly the same price. So if you look around, it should be something like $13 US around about. So as long as it's $13 US around that price, you're pretty much gonna get the same experience. There's tons of boats doing the same thing. Anyway, I'm gonna find the hostel, I'm gonna check in, have a shower, and I'm gonna go back out and meet those guys. Luckily, they're only out the way, and I think I've literally just seen it, so I'm gonna check in. I'll chat to you guys in a bit.